We've got this app, it's a decibel reader app, and we just want to see how loud it is before and after. Freedom Street Garage, welcome back. We're here at MagnaFlow today for only one reason. We've got ourselves a last call jailbreak Hellcat Challenger, and we're here to throw an XMOD exhaust on it, Rich.
And one of the things I love about this is, you know, we've done them before, but this again is a last call, which really means this particular lovely sound that Dodge has provided for us, this motor that makes all that horsepower, is something that's going to be something of the past. So I'm always glad to have you guys come in so I can hear it just one more time.
The number?
It got up to 110.
110?
110, yeah.
With stock exhaust?
Stock exhaust at 110. Seems pretty loud to me, so let's see what the MagnaFlow XMOD does. I think it's going to sound amazing. All right, Rich, so we've got the exhaust side by side, the factory Hellcat Cat-back, and we've got the MagnaFlow XMOD right next to it. And there's quite a bit of difference here. This exhaust looks way nicer, the pipes look way nicer, the X pipe looks way nicer, and the extreme deletes that we're gonna put in the car, obviously that looks way nicer than having the chunky resonators.
One of the big things though that we really tried to focus on is if you pay attention to the bends, you're going to find there's a much sharper bend that goes into where we remove the muffler.
Definitely.
It's a 2 3/4 inch tubing.
Okay.
We've gone to a 3-inch. So we've done everything we can from changing the physical pipe pathways to larger, and insofar as even going into the valves, we've gone to the trouble of making our own valve that maintains that 3-inch inner diameter, because those valves do, as you can see, have a reduction and an expansion inside.
Exactly.
And they do limit airflow. So we've done everything to maintain 3-inch. Insofar as even leaving, what a lot of people don't understand when they first see it is why we made these small extensions at the front.
Okay.
And that's so that we can adapt to a true cat back behind the factory cats and the factory manifolds. But hey, if you're gonna go take this to the track and you're going for, some kind of a spec series where you can go and put a long tube header in and you have a 3-inch collector, we've made it so you don't have to cut anything and simply slip your 3-inch pipe into the front, and you don't have to change anything on the exhaust at all.
So it's ready to go even more race car than it would be just bolting it onto a car like this.
We tried to make it bolt on race, bolt on street.
You guys thought about everything with this. I mean, can we take a moment to mention just how nice these valves that we're replacing the stock ones with, these are really nice pieces.
Yeah, and we made them so that they're actually even serviceable or deletable.
Okay.
Again, for that race car that you don't care about having that extra weight.
Exactly.
We just have the ability to delete that, and you've got V-bands in there, so you can go with the straight pipe. And that, I know it sounds like small amounts, but on a race car, it does matter.
It does
You're going to
matter,
save a couple, 3 pounds on each one going to a straight pipe versus those billet stainless pieces we have on there.
Yep. Another thing I'm noticing, a couple things. We've got the hangers, like you can see kind of where the stock exhaust has the hangers, and this has these pieces that kind of mount it off to the side. It looks like it's a bit more like strengthened.
Well, one of the big things, and what we call here is a double shear. So there's 2 points. Rather than having a single spot where it attaches, you're going to have leverage to bend it. And by placing the weight on 2 separate planes, on 2 separate panels, and securing it to 2 separate places, we've now distributed the load more.
Okay.
And think about it. We're going to make it so that you can take this exhaust system apart while it's still hanging on the car. Note the longer hangers on the rear.
Definitely.
That's so that we can now slide the exhaust system back to make sure that you can go from muffler to extreme delete.
Okay.
So we've actually designed it to stay on the car and still hold itself up without bending or damaging the factory hangers.
Very nice. And speaking of nice, look at these tips. We've got some very nice carbon fiber tips. The factory tips, they're these rectangles. They leave a bit to be desired. I'm not a fan. They look OEM, they fit just a little bit too perfectly with the shape of the car. This is gonna give it that extra edge that it needs to make it look more aggressive to go along with the sound. You know?
And
so,
with carbon fiber, and it's an intercooled tip, You're going to
wow.
basically see that the overall appearance is going to keep its appearance because
Okay.
we have that extra airflow going through to make sure the carbon doesn't overheat.
Wow, this is really nice. Just looking in this, like it's all built extremely nice. So,
It's all about airflow.
yeah, we're excited to get this on the car, and yeah, it's ready to just be put in now. So let's do it. Before we give you guys a listen to how it sounds with the new exhaust, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also head over to freedomstreetgarage.com because you can be the winner of this Hellcat Challenger.
What was it?
Wow, it's about 6 decibels louder than stock.
Really?
Yeah,
So what's the number?
115.7.
All right. Not bad.
Not bad. All right, Rich, we've got the XMOD exhaust fully installed on our Hellcat Challenger, and it sounds amazing. Seriously, like it's a big improvement over stock. It's louder. You can really hear the tone of that Hellcat V8. I'm thoroughly impressed.
We always like to build on what was already provided and just make it a little better. And with XMOD, you have the option of being more mellow, or of course, go extreme delete and
of
get
course,
everything you want.
We went with the extreme
Yep.
deletes. You guys know at this point, if that's an option, we're gonna select that option, and that's what we did on this car, and it sounds amazing. Don't forget to get entered to win this Hellcat Challenger. It's equipped with MagnaFlow's XMOD exhaust. Tap that link below in the description. Head over to freedomstreetgarage.com. This is the last of them, guys. It's the end of a dying breed, the last of a dying breed, something like that. Yeah. They're done.